In this video, you'll learn how to connect Squarespace Commerce to Mailchimp. This connection allows you to streamline your email marketing and manage your customer data effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Next, locate the integrations option on the main dashboard. This can typically be found in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Integrations to access the integration options available to you. After that, you will see a search bar labeled Discover Integrations. Type in Squarespace Commerce into this field. As you type, Mailchimp will automatically suggest relevant integrations, which will help you find the correct one. Once you see Squarespace Commerce in the drop-down list, click on it. This action will take you to the integration page specifically for Squarespace Commerce, allowing you to proceed with the connection process. Now, click on the Connect button. This button is usually located near the top of the Squarespace Commerce integration page. Selecting this will prompt Mailchimp to initiate the connection process. Next, you will see a message that prompts you to review your settings. Click on Let's Review Your Settings to proceed. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure your integration settings align with your marketing needs. You will then be prompted to sign into your Squarespace account, enter your login credentials, and grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions to access your data. This step is essential for enabling the integration to function correctly. After signing in, a message will appear allowing you to review your data sync settings. Take a moment to ensure that the settings reflect your preferences for data synchronization between Squarespace and Mailchimp. Next, a message will indicate that Mailchimp is bringing in your Squarespace data. This process may take a moment depending on the amount of data being transferred. Monitor the progress as it updates. Once the data import is complete, click on the Continue button to finalize the setup. This action confirms that you are satisfied with the integration settings and are ready to move forward. Finally, you will see a message stating that the connection is being set up. Wait for the setup process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, click on Sync Now to initiate the first data sync. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.